What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to sell more on your WooCommerce using Desco Dynamic Discount plugin, okay? So basically Desco gonna power up your WooCommerce, and I'm gonna share with you how to install, how to download, how to set up, and how to offer different amazing discount coupons that can generate and make buyers spend more on your store and you earn more. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, log in on your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin or WP login. Enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have WooCommerce plugin installed on your site, you already have products present on your store, and you are already selling, okay? So, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the menu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click and type Desco, just like this. Wait just a little bit and install this amazing plugin right here, okay? Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. And you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And Desco is right here, okay? But how to install the Pro version of your Desco plugin, okay? First thing, you need to go to descoplugin.com, okay, just like this, and go to your account. You can see the pricing options of the Pro plugin. I love this for 5 site. It's the best deal in my opinion, and it's a great feature because have all that free has and many more options, okay? For example, the BOGO option, the bundle discount, that is amazing for generating more sales. But to download, you're gonna go to your account on Desco, go to downloads, download your Pro version using this green button. Here's the downloaded. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar, go to plugins, hit the submenu, add new, go to upload plugins, click on choose file, and now click on Desco Pro that you just have downloaded, and click on install now. Plugin installed successfully. Click on Activate Plugin. And now we have the Desco Pro active, okay? Now let's get started. Let's get things started. Into your WordPress left sidebar of menus, next to media, you're gonna be able to find a new submenu, a new menu called Desco, and with 2 submenus. We have license that you can copy into the descoplugin.com account and paste to activate your plugin license, and Desco. And on Desco, you can create your campaigns, okay? Your discount campaigns. Click on Create Discount, and you can give this campaign a name. For example, 15%. It can be a product discount, a bulk discount, a bundle, a cart. You're gonna explore every single one of these, and let's start with product discount. It can be for all products or a few products, and you can search your store products to give discounts as well. I'm gonna give to all products. User limit, it's unlimited. You have a limitation for this coupon, up to you. Valid between today and the end of the month, up to you, okay? Product rules, it's a percentage discount, it's a fixed discount, up to you as well. And the discount value can be 15%. You can enter conditions, for example, another condition, the title, the description, the attributes, the categories. For example, one condition is this discount is only active for a t-shirt category of your store, up to you, okay? You can add any condition that you like, and in the case that you don't want to use this filter, you can just delete and remove the condition. Now let's save and edit, and here we go. We have the 50% discount. The status is active, and you can use the gear icon to edit and this switcher to enable or disable the discount. Let me show you the discount now on the live store. Let's add to cart. Let's view the cart. Here we have the discount, okay? And to the products page as well. Now, let's explore a little bit more of the plugin features. Let me go back to Disco. Let me deactivate this discount and create a new campaign using another feature. Can be a cart discount. What is this? Let's explore together. And we're gonna call this 11. Cart discount, it's something that you can generate and can make customers spend more money on your store, okay? How to do this? You can create a rule, can be a fixed discount, and the value can be just like this. You can enter conditions in the case that you want as well. And or up to you. Let's save and exit. Now we have 11 and it's a cart discount. It's fixed, okay? Now let's explore. Let me add it to cart. Let me add another one. And let's view the cart. As you can see, we have the discount enabled on the cart, okay? You can even create a logic that you only give this discount if the person spend more money on your store, okay? So for example, if you spend $100 on your store, you're gonna gain this discount, okay? So this coupon only gonna be active if you have up to $100 on your store, okay? Simple, right? And that is. Let's explore other options. Let me disable this one and explore other options. Now let's explore the shipping discount, okay? So we're gonna give a name. Can be shipping, just like this. And let's use the shipping discount. It can be just for a few products or for all the products. You can give an usage limit, a valid dates, and you can add conditions. For this, I recommend that you add some conditions. Let's just scroll it down just a little bit and find the cart, and I'm looking for cart subtotal, okay? So, if cart subtotal it's equal or greater than 200, you can give this discount. If you go to the checkout page on your WooCommerce, or if the consumer goes to the checkout page, they're gonna be able to see the free shipping based on the free shipping discount based on the amount of products and the amount spent on this store, okay? Now let's explore the next coupon design. Let me deactivate this one. And we're gonna be using the bulk discount style, okay? What is bulk discount? It's a discount that works in a bulk. Let me show you one example. Once again, you can select few products or all the products, you can send the time, and now we have a new option, okay? The bulk rules. It can be the minimum quantity, can be 3 products, for example. The maximum, we can leave empty, and you can give a discount of, for example, 32%, okay? 33%. And you can even enter other conditions, as I told you previously. Let me show you it working. I'm gonna give a name, 33. Here is the discount. It's a bulk discount. It's a mixed discount type, and let me show you it's working, okay? As you can see, I give a big, massive discount because I have 5 of these products. Let me remove this. As you can see, I got a massive discount. if I add 3 in my cart, just like this, I'm gonna gain a bigger discount as well. Simple, right? This way you can intentionally make customers spend more money on your store, okay? Let's explore another discount. Let me deactivate this one just to show you in the better possible way. I'm gonna create a new discount, and it can be a bundle discount. Discount style lets the customer give a discount, receives a discount when they purchase a specific set or combination of products. Let me show you one example. For example, get 3 for 10, get 4 for 11, get 10 for 20, okay? This is just one example, but it's a bundle example. For example, quantity 2, percentage discount or fixed discount, discount value, it can be recessive, just like this. For example, get 2 for 20. Let's add more. Get 5 for 30. And get 10 for 50. This is just one example, okay? It's up to you, and you can enter your conditions, but once again, the idea here is make customers spend more money. Let me show you in the cart. Let me remove this one. One, 2, you got 10 discount. As you can see, as much as you add on the cart, much discount you got, okay? Bigger the discount is. Now, let's go to the funniest one, that is the best option for making customers buy on more on your store. That is the BOGO discount coupon. Let's call this BOGO. And now you can give this once again. Few products or all products. It can be unlimited use, valid between, and we have a couple of times. You can buy X and get X, buy get and add Y, buy get and get Y category. For example, buy X and get X. It's the simplest one, okay? Customer buy, minimum quantity 3, get 1 free item. It can be recessive or not, up to you, okay? And you can enter some conditions. Let me show you. This is my favorite discount type. Let me show you. If you buy 3, automatically the plugin adds you another one on your cart for free. Simple, right? It's amazing how easy it is to set up this plugin, because it can give you lots of options and it's easy to set up and to use. And of course, you can combine a couple of discount campaigns, do this into the mailing system, and of course, set things up. There are settings on the plugin, and in the case that you want, you can customize a couple of options, okay? Let me show you another options of the plugin that are the settings. Right here, you can change the product post type, the minimum or maximum discount amount, the coupon discount behavior, You can show on sale badge, up to you. You can skip out products, for example, shop, product, category, and cart, up to you as well. And save the change as you wish, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Don't forget to download the discount plugin. It's my favorite discount plugin for WooCommerce. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!